7 Stress Reduction Strategies for 2025. 5. Find calm in a busy world step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's ideas on stress reduction strategies for 2025, I need your help to grow this community. If you find these thoughts helpful, please like the video right now. It helps YouTube share it with more people. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you get more content like this. Also, drop a comment below. What's one thing that stresses you out most? Let's talk about it. Okay, let's get into it. Note, this video is for entertainment and general inspiration only. It's not medical or professional advice. Always consult a qualified professional like a doctor for your health needs. Let's begin by discussing why stress reduction is a key topic in 2025. With fast-paced lives, work demands, and digital overload, many of us are seeking ways to find calm without big lifestyle overhauls. Stress reduction isn't about eliminating all challenges. It's about building simple strategies to handle them better, potentially improving daily mood and energy. This isn't expert guidance. It's just sharing general ideas from common stories and observations to spark your thinking. Today, we'll explore 7 stress reduction strategies that people often mention for finding calm in a busy world. We'll take it slow, explain what the strategy means, share a simple story or example, discuss upsides and downsides, and suggest basic ways to try it. These are broad concepts for inspiration, not plans. Adapt them to your routine and consult pros if needed. Imagine feeling a bit more relaxed after adding one strategy. It can make a difference. I've heard from folks who've tried these and noticed positive shifts, and it's encouraging to share. Have you felt more stressed lately? That's common, and we'll keep it simple. It all starts with awareness, leading to our first strategy. Strategy number 1. Practice deep breathing exercises to center yourself. This means taking slow, intentional breaths to relax the body. In 2025, with wellness apps, deep breathing is popular for quick calm, linked to 10 to 20% stress drop in general studies, but effects vary. For example, inhaling for 4 counts, holding 4, exhaling 4. A friend used this during work breaks and felt less tense. Upsides free? Anywhere. Downsides, forget in moments, set reminders. Way to try: do 5 breaths when stressed. This strategy grounds. Comment, when do you feel most stressed? Strategy number 2. Take short nature walks to refresh your mind. This means stepping outside for fresh air and movement. In 2025, with urban life, walks are said to reduce anxiety by 15 to 25% in wellness talk. For instance, a 10-minute stroll in a park. Someone I know walked daily and cleared headspace. Upsides, boosts mood, easy. Downsides, weather-dependent, indoor alternatives. Way to try, schedule 10 minutes daily. This strategy reconnects. Share your favorite walk spot in comments. Strategy number 3. Journal your thoughts to process emotions. This means writing down feelings or worries. In 2025, journaling apps make it accessible, helping clarity by 20%. For example, noting what stressed me today. A person I heard from journaled nightly and slept better. Upsides, therapeutic, private. Downsides, time, 5 minutes, keep short. Way to try: write 3 lines evening. This strategy releases. What's a journaling prompt you'd use? Comment. Strategy number 4. Set boundaries for work-life balance. This means saying no to extras for rest. In 2025, with remote work, boundaries reduce burnout by 20-30%. For example, turning off emails after hours. A friend set limits and had more family time. Upsides, protects energy, healthier. Downsides, hard to enforce, communicate clearly. Way to try: define off times, stick to them. This strategy protects peace. What's a boundary you've set? Share in comments. Strategy number 5. Practice mindfulness meditation for a few minutes daily. This means focusing on the present through guided thoughts. In 2025, with free apps, it's linked to 15% stress drop. For example, 5 minutes breathing focus. Folks I know meditated mornings and felt centered. Upsides, calms mind free. Downsides, wandering thoughts. Be patient. Way to try: use timer for short sessions. This strategy centers. What's your meditation experience? Comment. Strategy number 6. Connect with loved ones for support. This means chatting or calling to share feelings. In 2025, with social isolation, connections lower stress by 20%. For example, weekly calls. Someone I heard from talked daily and felt lighter. Upsides, emotional relief, strengthens bonds. Downsides, time, keep brief. Way to try, schedule one connection weekly. This strategy supports. Who do you turn to for support? Share in comments. Strategy number 7, engage in hobbies to unwind. This means dedicating time to enjoyable activities like reading or drawing. In 2025, hobbies reduce tension by 10 to 25%. For example, 30 minutes crafting. People I know unwound with hobbies and recharged. Upsides, joyful, creative. Downsides, scheduling. Start small. Way to try, pick one hobby, set time weekly. Wrap up these 7 strategies: breathing, walks, journaling, boundaries, meditation, connections, hobbies. Offer general ideas for stress reduction. Entertainment only, not advice. Like, sub, comment your top strategy. See you next time.